Hello everyone, I'm Jason Nichols with Short Selling OC, and today I have a past client of ours, Tad Bremner. Tad, thanks for joining us.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
How did you find out about Jeff and I?
A friend referred me to you guys. At the time I was looking for some options with, I was going through some financial troubles and reaching out to people, and your guys' name came up, so I thought I'd give you guys a call.
Tell me about that experience. Were you getting threatening phone calls, threatening mail?
Yeah, with regards to the house, I was getting a lot of threatening phone calls. I was, falling way behind, and things weren't going well at work at the time, so I was taking it kind of on that end too. Just not a very good financial position.
Sure, it's stressful getting all those calls.
Yeah.
Do you mind me asking what happened in your life that made you go through the short sale process?
Well, I was in the financial services industry, right around 2008, and lost my job, lost all my income, wasn't able to find anything during that time, and my expenses far outweighed what I was bringing home.
Yeah. What did you end up paying for your property originally?
$405,000.
And when you call this, what would you say the value of the property was?
Every property was being foreclosed on my street, and I think they were saying it was somewhere around 200, in the 200s.
Wow, that's a big drop.
Yeah.
What kind of financing did you do on the property? Do you remember?
100% financing.
Was it one loan or two loans?
Did 2 loans.
And when you were dealing with the phone calls, were you getting hammered by both ends? The first mortgage was calling you and the second mortgage was calling you?
Correct.
So it was just redundant day in and day out.
Yeah, both were delinquent.
What did you end up selling the property for?
I believe it was $260,000.
Wow, it's a $145,000 loss the bank took.
Yeah.
What did you end up paying on taxes on that?
Did not pay any taxes.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's still in effect to 2013, actually. Congress just extended that. What would you say the total fees were that Jeff and I charged you for the experience?
You guys didn't charge me any fees. In fact, I actually came out a little bit ahead in that regard because you guys helped me with the moving costs and getting the utilities set up at my new rental, which was a big help.
Yeah, and it's helped out a lot of people lately. If I recall, we helped you get your new property.
Correct.
What was that experience like?
No problem. Great little rental. I'm actually paying less than what I was paying on my mortgage. No complaints. Really enjoying the place.
Well, Tad, thank you so much for your time.
No problem at all.
Thanks again, everybody. This is Tad Bremner, a past client of Jeff and I, and wish you all the best.